Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your iPhone XR is on a compatible iOS and connected to reliable Wi-Fi so Apple servers communicate. Next, you restart the phone and set date and time to automatic because mismatched time often blocks account creation. Once done, you open Settings and tap Sign in to your iPhone, selecting Create Apple ID. Do this now. It prepares the device to accept a new account and avoids later verification errors. You proceed by entering a reliable email you own. Apple must send a verification link, and you must access it. When creating a password, use a strong mix so Apple accepts it on their policy checks. Also, make sure your country matches the billing and phone region. Mismatches trigger rejections. After filling DOB and security questions, request the verification email or code and confirm it. This step-by-step avoids server-side rejections and ensures the account is fully provisioned on iCloud and Apple ID services. You finish by verifying the email and entering the SMS or email code immediately. Delayed codes often expire. If you get the persistent could not create Apple ID error, sign out of any partial iCloud session, reboot the XR, and retry creation. This clears cached errors. If that fails, capture the exact error message and contact Apple support with your device serial. They can clear account flags or server-side blocks. One key troubleshooting tip: check for carrier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.